Welcome back to this three-question series. Today I'm going to be practicing the Thai Japanese grammar form. So I want to do something, tabetai, I want to eat. So ChatGPT is going to ask me three questions that I will be able to respond with the Thai form to get a little bit of speaking and grammar practice in. Let me know if you see any mistakes that I don't catch, and let's get into it. So I was hoping today that you could ask me three questions that I would be able to respond with the Thai form to practice that grammar form.
Absolutely. Let's do it. I'll ask you three questions in Japanese that will give you a chance to use the tai form in your answers. Let's jump right in. Shumatsu ni nani shitai desu ka?
I'm pretty sure all it asked was what do I want to try this weekend, since we're practicing the Thai form. I'll just say this weekend I want to study. Shumatsu wa nihongo benkyou shitai.
Great job. That was a perfect use of the tai form.
I just wanted to check, but did you ask me what did I want to do this weekend?
Exactly. You got it right. I asked you what you wanted to do this weekend, and you answered perfectly.
Okay, let's continue.
将来どんな国に旅行したいですか?
Could you repeat that one more time for me?
将来どんな国に旅行したいですか?
I think it might have asked what country I want to go to in the future. I heard kuni, which is country. So I guess I could say I want to go to Japan. Shorai, would it just be Shorai Nihon ni ikitai? Shorai Nihon ni ikitai.
That was great. You used the tai form perfectly there as well. You said you want to go to Japan in the future, which is exactly what the question was asking.
Okay, let's do one more.
明日は何食べたいですか?
I didn't fully get it. I know that we're talking about tomorrow. Could you repeat that one more time for me?
明日は何を食べたいですか?
Is it asking what I want to eat tomorrow? 明日は何を食べたい? 明日はラーメンとピザを食べたいよ.
That's a great answer. You used the tai form perfectly again. You said you want to eat ramen and pizza tomorrow, and that totally works. Awesome job practicing.
What was the question you asked me? Were you just asking me what I wanted to eat tomorrow?
Exactly, that was the question. I was asking you what you wanted to eat tomorrow, and you answered it just right.